Using Xoom in Jamaica is a convenient way to send and receive money internationally. To get started, you need to create a Xoom account, which can be done online or through the Xoom mobile app. Provide the required information, including your name, email address, and password, and verify your account through the email sent by Xoom. Once your account is set up, you can send money to Jamaica by following these steps. First, log into your Xoom account and select Send Money. Choose Jamaica as the recipient country and select the amount you want to send. You can choose from various payment options, including your bank account, credit card, or debit card. Enter the recipient's details, including their name and address. The recipient can receive the money in Jamaican dollars, and it can be deposited into their bank account or picked up in cash at various locations across Jamaica. Some of the partner banks and cash pickup locations in Jamaica include Scotiabank, National Commercial Bank, and Victoria Mutual. To receive money in Jamaica using Xoom, the sender must have a Xoom account and follow the same steps as outlined above. The recipient will receive an email notification once the money is sent, and they can track the status of the transaction online or through the Xoom app. The recipient can then pick up the cash at a designated location or have it deposited into their bank account. When using Xoom in Jamaica, keep in mind that there are fees associated with sending and receiving money, and these fees vary depending on the amount and payment method. Additionally, there are exchange rates that apply when converting US dollars to Jamaican dollars. Xoom offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a reliable option for international money transfers. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure the recipient's information is accurate and up to date. Also, be aware of the daily and monthly transaction limits, which vary depending on the type of account and payment method. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Xoom to send and receive money in Jamaica safely and efficiently.